Do you think there is any relationship between financial inclusion and sustainable development goals, SDGs? Think for a while and you will realize yes, there can be. And if this question comes in the exam, what is happening in the financial inclusion side, and is India doing better than other countries, or we are like in many other parameters lagging behind, or something like that? Can India tell the world how to do the financial inclusion? Economic Survey has many such interesting facts and answers here. Let me show you. Financial inclusion is not just a goal but a means to enable sustainable economic growth, reduction in inequality, and elimination of the poverty. Understand this, the importance of financial inclusion, and United Nations positions financial inclusion on a prominent enabler of other development goal in 2030 SDGs. This is very clear now. Financial inclusion is the great enabler for SDGs. This is the amazing progress in financial inclusion. 2011, 35% people had bank account, and today 77%. Received a digital payment, 35% here. Borrowed, 12%. Here there is a lot of scope to improve, and likewise if you compare with other countries, adult with an account at a formal financial institution, world average is 76, India is at 78, better than the world average, better than many other countries in South Asia. Brazil is at 84, better than us, and China, but we are ahead of Indonesia. We are matching almost the numbers of many advanced countries. If I summarize, as mentioned in the Economic Survey, the progress on financial inclusion: 52 crore PMJDY account, 78% account ownership, 24.6 ATM per lakh adult, and 7.7 crore people have credit card, 1.3 lakh bank branches, and 14.3 commercial bank per lakh. In 2003, first time Kofi Annan, who was heading United Nations that time, he spoke about financial inclusion. And then in 2004, I think Dr. Y.B. Reddy, when he was the governor RBI, talked about financial inclusion in India. And today we have seen the benefits of financial inclusion. Every one of us is a beneficiary in terms of the technology we are able to use and the lowest cost of transferring the money with the best technology in the world. Economic Survey rightly summarizes overall initiatives and progress on this line. If you want to write a powerful descriptive answer, you must read that chapter in detail. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. We are here to make the job preparation 50% faster.